If you're ready to let technology handle your daily cleaning, you'll love this list. From budget-friendly cleaners to high-end smart vacuums that scrub and self-empty, here are the top 5 robot vacuums for 2025. Perfect for pet owners, busy families, and anyone who loves a spotless home with zero effort. Number 5. Tikom G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a compact powerhouse designed for effortless, everyday cleaning. With 5,000 PA suction, it picks up pet hair, dust, and crumbs across hard floors, tiles, and carpets with ease. Its 2-in-1 vacuum and mop system lets you clean and mop simultaneously, saving time while keeping floors spotless. With a 450 ml dustbin and 300 ml water tank, this model covers large areas without constant refills. The ultra-slim 2.99-inch design easily slides under furniture, while built-in sensors prevent bumps and falls. Choose from 4 cleaning modes: spot, edge, zigzag, and manual, and control it via the app, remote, voice commands, or buttons, making it perfect for seniors or anyone who prefers simplicity. With 150 minutes of runtime and automatic recharging, it's always ready for your next clean. The Tikom G8000 Max proves that smart home cleaning doesn't have to break the bank. Number 4. MONSGA MS1 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. It brings serious power to your cleaning routine with a 5,000 PA mega suction motor that eliminates dirt, pet hair, and debris from any surface, carpets, tiles, or hardwood. But it's not just powerful, it's smart. Featuring 4-in-1 cleaning, vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and self-emptying, this robot adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its 3.5L self-emptying dust station means you can go up to 60 days without touching dirt, making it ideal for busy households or pet owners. Thanks to 360-degree LiDAR navigation, it maps your home with 98% accuracy and stores up to 5 maps, perfect for multi-floor cleaning. With 180 minutes of runtime, auto recharge and resume, and 4 control modes, app, remote, voice, and manual, the MONSGA MS1 Max fits any lifestyle. Whether you're working, traveling, or just relaxing, it handles the mess. For power, precision, and hands-free convenience, the MONSGA delivers. Number 3. Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra brings trusted reliability and high-end innovation to your home. With powerful Shark suction, it picks up everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair on all floor types. Its matrix-clean navigation ensures no spot is missed. It moves in a grid pattern, taking multiple passes for deep, even cleaning. The self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, and its HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it perfect for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. With LiDAR home mapping, the Shark AI adapts to changes in your home, day or night, and navigates with precision. You can schedule or start cleanings through Alexa or Google Assistant for total hands-free control. Offering up to 120 minutes of runtime with recharge and resume, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra is built for homes that demand deep cleaning, smart navigation, and proven performance. Number 2. Uninell UR3 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the smart cleaning powerhouse that takes home cleaning to a whole new level. With 5,000 PA of cyclone suction and a 20,000 RPM brush, it wipes out dirt, crumbs, and pet hair, even from deep carpets. And when it senses rugs, the Auto Carpet Boost doubles suction for a spotless finish. Powered by LiDAR navigation, the UR3 moves with laser precision, dodging furniture, gliding over thresholds, and avoiding stairs. It's a 3-in-1 sweeper, vacuum, and mop, with adjustable water flow and suction per room. Whether you want a deep kitchen scrub or a gentle dusting in the bedroom, it adapts to your needs. The tangle-free brush and 3.5L self-emptying base let you go up to 70 days without emptying a bin, perfect for pet owners. Control it however you like, through the app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or remote. Quiet, powerful, and built to clean every inch, the Uninell UR3 is your all-in-one robotic housekeeper for a cleaner, smarter home. Number 1. ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone. The DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone redefines what a robot vacuum can do. With 19500 PA blast suction and blast airflow technology, it delivers 262% better carpet pickup than earlier models. The Osmo Roller 2.0 mop scrubs away stubborn stains edge to edge with streak-free precision, while the TrueEdge 3.0 reaches deep into corners. This robot doesn't just clean, it maintains itself. The bagless Omni Station empties, washes, dries, and refills automatically, while 167-degree hot water soak removes grime and kills bacteria. With Power Boost charging, it restores 6% battery in 3 minutes during mop washing, ensuring non-stop cleaning for large homes. The IV3D Plus LiDAR system enables AI-driven obstacle avoidance and precise navigation. It even climbs thresholds up to 0.9 inches high with its TruePass 4-wheel system. App and voice controls make cleaning effortless, whether you're home or away. For pure innovation and total automation, the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone stands at the top, the ultimate cleaning companion of 2025. And that's our countdown of the top 5 robot vacuums for 2025. Whether you want all-out luxury or reliable everyday performance, there's one here for every lifestyle and budget. Which one would you choose for your home? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart home finds and Amazon favorites from home and kitchen finds.